Streamers, guess what? You can now connect Spotify to your Sound Alerts account and display the music that you are listening to on your stream. So it will look something like this. Let's quickly set this new widget up. From your Sound Alerts dashboard, select Scenes, Add New Scene, and here select Add Widget. Under Live, click on Spotify Now Playing. You'll get this pop-up telling you that your Spotify account is not connected to Sound Alerts. So to connect it, select the Spotify Now Playing widget here on the left and click on Connect Spotify. Real quick, you can also do this in Settings. Under General, at the very bottom, select Integrations, Connect Spotify. I'll do it in the scene editor though. So connect Spotify, log in with your details. You know it's connected when it looks like this. When you play music on your Spotify, whether it's from the same computer or a phone like I am right here, it will appear in your Sound Alert scene editor. If I pause it, don't worry, as it says, your viewers won't see this message here. The widget will just disappear. Now that you have connected Spotify to your Sound Alerts, customize the widget so it appears on your stream to your chosen style. Remember to move this widget and to resize it to wherever you would want it on your stream, imagining that this box here is your stream. So if you want it in the bottom right, you would move it to the bottom right of your stream, etc. You can adjust the position and opacity and choose one of the 3 widget styles: compact, extended, and simple. And you can choose whether you show the duration of the song or not. Plus, if you're familiar with the CSS editor, you can also further customize your widget using that. Click on Custom CSS, and you can change anything from the background gradient, the logo, cover image, bar, info, anything you want. And of course, when a new song plays, the chat box will automatically display the current song. So viewers can click on the Spotify link so they can find the song themselves. And that is it. Nice and easy to set up. Your viewers can now see the Spotify song that you're playing on your stream. If you have any questions at all, drop them down in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, updates, and tutorials.